Hey friends, if you wish to fix backup error 0x81000033 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Then check all the boxes here and then click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution is to remove unnecessary language packs. How would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to time and language and select language and region. Now you notice one thing, you may have more than one language packs but only one will be active because in many cases the version of Windows says it supports only one display language. So keep one for the while and you can remove the rest. If you need it, they can be reinstalled from the internet. The last solution is to update all drivers on the system at once, and I'll show you how this is done. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, click on optional updates and install any optional updates if they are available. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.